Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and proximity because low charge or distance causes the most failures. Check the AirPods in case have charge, then open settings to ensure Bluetooth is enabled. Once done, put AirPods in case and close the lid for 10 seconds, then reopen. This triggers pairing mode. If your device shows the AirPods list, tap Connect. Make sure to restart your phone if the AirPods don't appear. A quick reboot often clears temporary Bluetooth conflicts. If basic pairing fails, perform a targeted reset to clear corrupt pairings. Press and hold the case button for about 15 seconds until the light blinks amber then white. Before retrying, open Bluetooth settings on your device and choose Forget or Remove for any existing AirPods entry. This prevents stale profiles. Once forgotten, bring the case near the device and open the lid to reconnect. Also check your phone's OS updates, because compatibility issues often block successful. After connecting, immediately test playback, microphone, and stereo balance so you catch problems early. If one side is quiet or the mic doesn't work, clean the mesh and reseat the AirPod in your ear. Debris and fit affect performance. If Bluetooth remains unstable, try a network settings reset on your device, which clears deeper wireless conflicts. As a last resort, contact Apple or authorized service. Hardware faults and firmware issues sometimes require professional diagnostic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.